What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get a Minecraft tab or get Minecraft wallpaper and cool stuff like that. So first you're going to want to go to the Chrome Web Store. Link will be in the description down below. So you're going to want to go search the store and then search up Minecraft. Oops. Spelled that wrong. So you don't gotta write down wallpapers and all that. This should be the first thing that pops up. Minecraft new tab. You're just gonna click on this. Oops, I forgot I still had it. So you're gonna Alright, I don't know why that just popped up. Guess it's something. So you're gonna press add to Chrome. And then this pops up, click add extension. This thing should pop up, so just wait. You can close that out if you want though. So wait until this says full. Alright. So this just pops up, you don't gotta do anything about that, don't worry. So then you got this, and when you open new tab, this should pop up. You got all different types of stuff, like for example, there's games right on this side. You can click on that. There's the bookmarks over here. There's home, and there's lots of other stuff. It's just it changes kind of the this time it goes different style, and yeah, so you can change this, you can change the text color and all that. Okay, I don't know why that's not working, but okay. So yeah, that's for this. Okay, so if you go right here, you can choose which wallpaper you currently want. There's this one, there's this one, this one. I like this one a lot. This one is probably better than this one, but you guys can choose this one. They're all pretty sick and cool. Like, yeah, these are all the ones that you can choose. It's free. You guys don't actually have to pay or anything. This one is pretty cool too. This one, these are both the same. So, yeah. That is that. And, okay, this was quite a short video. But I still hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe before this video ends in 3, 2, 1. Bye. Make sure to check out my new videos that I'm going to be uploading soon. Alright? Bye.